Hi everyone, this is my industrial project. It's titled SVC project using thyristor switch capacitors. So the overall of my circuit, I have an inductor here which I took from a compact fluorescent lamp, which is a ballast. Then I do have two back-to-back thyristors which are switching on my capacitor, which is a 8 microfarad capacitor. So the whole objective of the project is to switch the capacitors using thyristors. So the whole thing is based on fact devices, which there's a lot, but then on my project I decided to focus on thyristor switch capacitors. The whole objective is to try and minimize the amount of current drawn from the network. In my case, I'm using a 220 supply from a normal plug, and it's also to try and improve the power factor and try and make it close to unity by also ensuring that the amount of current drawn from the network is minimum. This can save in industrial application because companies, they are penalized of poor power factor because they reduce the carrying capacity of conductors, transformers, even on generator. They create strain on them. So here I made my prototype. You can see now I'm putting on the power for my voltage sensing. As you could hear now, the ballast is on. So if you could look, I'm measuring 220 volts, which is your normal household supply. The current being drawn is 0.5 amp. And at this moment, my thyristor switch circuit, which is controlled by the Arduino Uno, is not switched on, or it's not enabled. The moment I will enable it, you will see the amount of current drawn is going to drop down, because it means that now I'm introducing capacitance into the system. As you know that the capacitance and inductance, due to their characteristics, the capacitance is going to try and reduce the amount of inductive requirement from the network, which in my case is caused by this inductor. I'm just gonna enable it, and then it's gonna make the Arduino to start regulating, and that's gonna be manifested by the change in current. Ideally, even my power factor is supposed to be improving, but then there's a minor glitch on my code, which is stuff I'll just need to finalize before my final presentation. I'm gonna enable the capacitor, which you will see by this LED switching on, which means that this capacitor will be in the circuit, and the amount of current drawn is gonna go down. You see my compensation is off, and then I'm just gonna enable it there. So now I'm doing compensation. If you check on the current, it went down to 0.2 from 0.5. So that means that even in terms of power factor, I have improved it by putting in the capacitor into the picture, and then the amount of reactive power required from my network was minimized. I'm just gonna switch it off again, and you see the current will go up. It's still on, then it's off. There is your current. It went up again. So yeah, I'm switching on these capacitors using this back-to-back thyristors, which in my case, the whole objective of this project has been achieved. Thank you.